How to create tabs in Wix Studio. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to add a tab. So first things first, go to our add elements over here in the top left. And in this page, simply search up tabs in this section. As you can see, so click on tabs over here. And these are all the different tabs options that you could have. So you could use this as a guide or like a template. So for example, we could have this one as a tab over here. You can simply add it into your website. And now simply double click it and then you can now click on manage tabs. And now you could manage the different tabs that will have or that occurs in your tab area. So you can add or duplicate tab, or you can have multiple tabs, or you can delete the different tabs over here. And you can have as many tabs as you want, and that depends on your preference, of course. And you could also put together or put it wherever you want, so as long as you drag and drop it wherever you prefer. You can have additional settings over here when in terms of appearance on the right side as well. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.